Yeah, they come right at us.
Hmm.
What the hell? I didn't see birds do this.
I don't know. It's just weird.
What's the news, Bill? What the hell?
Something's going on.
Anybody else looking?
It's like a world, like things change.
Why do they keep flying in circles?
Or because of frequency.
Yeah,
Something.
they're like confused.
Why
Mm-hmm.
is those in that area right there?
I know. It's like they don't. They want to land, but they're not landing.
Look. Ugh.
What?
So weird. Look.
Yeah, it's.
Time to turn into Contra kids. It's the boss.
Oh, look at that.
Look.
What the hell? Where we going?
They don't hit each other.
What's this, like bugs
By
they
the way,
eat?
there's like a whole bunch of bees. Like,
I know.
they're gonna come over here and come back us. They're ready to jump in the car.
I know.
Throw breadcrumbs, kid. Good guy looking cool.
What?
Dragonfly.
Oh, here it goes. See? All of a sudden we show up and it stops.
It seems peaceful.
Mm-hmm. Oh, going away. Oh, shit. Oh.
Yeah, they're sick of
You start
humans.
dropping
Get ready to
crap.
attack.
I know. I bet.
It's kind of weird. As soon as we get out of the car and get ready, all of a sudden it's happening.
A warning.
Nobody else cares.